Subscribe my channel and click on bell icon button for watching latest videos. Thank you. Hello, what's up guys, this is me Muhammad Abid and this is my channel Technical Eagle YouTube channel, and today I have come for a new video and I will show you a new trick about mobile camera. What is that trick that will be shown? First I want to say you that this is my first video that is being made in English language. That's why I've been requested, please make video in English language. Okay, and let's start my video. And first I will open my internet data, and after that I will show you how to download that app that I want to show you. Okay, it has been opened and let's start my video after a little bit intro.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, we have come on desktop and the internet has been started, and we have to go our browser that you usually use, like I use CM browser, and you have to go on browser. Okay, it has been started and you have to go on Google and you have to write down quick camera. Yeah, here is the camera, and here is a download APK 2.4 MB. It has been already downloaded, but I will show you how to download it. Okay, you have to click here, and after that you have to click on download this camera, but I will not download this camera because it has been already downloaded. And after that you have to install that camera, and you have to see that how to use this camera, and I will show you. And it has been already downloaded and already installed in my phone, and here is the three option. Sorry for this. Okay, here's the three option. First is that quick camera, and the second is that take photo. Sorry for that, sorry. Okay, take photo, and after that video recorder. These all are the spy camera settings, and you can make video without opening camera, but here's some setting that you have to do. Okay, we have come on setting. Here is setting, click, and now you have to choose that camera, whatever you want to open, and whatever you want to make video, like if you want to make video with back camera, you have to click on back camera. If you want to make video with the front camera, then you have to click on front camera, and after that you have to, if you want to on flashlight, you can here easily open. Okay, after that we have to check that how to make photo and how to make video. But here is some problem: we cannot make video when our video recorder is open, because my video recorder open and I can't make video. But I will show you that how to make photo without opening camera. Okay, the photo has been made by this spy camera without opening this camera, and you can see that. Okay, you can see that here is a photo that has been taken without opening camera, and okay, I will show you how to make video without opening camera. And here is the option video recorder, and you have to click on. But you can see that here is a problem, and problem is that this is a problem for video screen recorder that is being opened. And actually I'm making video with the help of screen recorder, and I have to pause this video, and after that you will be shown that video that I will make. Okay, the video has been made, but sorry for that, I didn't make you see that when I was making video with this spy camera. Actually, there was some problem. My video recorder was open, and sorry, not video recorder, screen recorder was open. That's why it didn't work, video recorder. But I will show you that video. That video has been made by the video recorder and this spy camera without opening this camera. Yeah, whenever you want to make video with the help of this camera without opening camera, you have to click on this camera, and after that you have to see that here is the option. If you want to stop that video, you have to click on, and after that option will be shown. Click to play that video, and I will show you that video that I have been made. That is that video that I have made, and I want to show you, and it has been shown. Okay, if you like that video, please subscribe my channel and request your friend to subscribe my channel. We will meet inshallah in next video.